Massive cracks in your old house walls are a serious red flag you cannot just ignore, especially when the whole building shakes every time a truck passes by. So, here's the deal: if you spot cracks that suddenly appear or get way bigger, don't just shrug it off. First thing, take photos and document everything so you have proof of how bad it's gotten. Make sure to move any valuable or sentimental stuff out of the way as soon as possible, because you might not get back in for a while. Call your housing provider or landlord immediately and insist on a structural engineer inspection. They're the only ones who can tell you how dangerous it really is. Try to stay somewhere safe like a hotel or with friends until you get a clear answer. If you're in an area known for earthquakes or ground movement, be extra cautious because the damage could worsen quickly. Keep an eye on any new changes like walls bulging or floors tilting, and report those immediately. Don't try to fix anything yourself or ignore advice to evacuate. Your safety comes first. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with cracks in old homes is assuming it's just normal settling. This can lead to ignoring foundation problems that grow worse over time. Another common issue is waiting too long to get a professional inspection, which can mean missing early fixes that might save your home. The third mistake is not moving valuables out early enough, which sometimes means losing important things if the house gets condemned or demolished. To fix these, always treat sudden or large cracks as an emergency, get a certified structural engineer involved right away, and prioritize your safety by temporarily relocating if advised. BigHomeProjects.com is great for connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who can help with inspections or repairs on old houses. It also helps contractors find work easily by putting them in touch with people who really need their skills for projects like fixing structural damage.